What you do?
What's that?
The butt.
Come here. Here. Snoopy. Oh.
You're probably thinking right. And they fart. That's all they do. Oh my God.
Teddy? Did you eat the pizza? Huh? It's time out for you. Time out. Okay? Did you just fart? Oh, Teddy.
Carrie, why do I have to keep doing this? Really, she's farting. What are you? Seriously, she's farting. She's farting, my girl. This is sad. I'm trying not to put her down, but she's.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're at the Wine Dog for the for the fart venue.
Oh gosh! Stop filming! Stop! No! We are tasting a Sauvignon fart. Oh my God! Scarlett, look what they're doing to your mama.
I would have never believed it.
Scarlett.
Ashley, are you farting?
She is.
Did you just fart? Hey? Lulu? Did you just do a big fart? Because it smells like you did. It really, really smells in here. Did you fart?
Did you hear that?
Julie, do you have something in your mouth? Daisy, Does Chewy have something in his mouth? Oh no. I quit. I quit.
Poodle's taking a poopy and the vet's seeing. She says, this is what I think about the vet.